Welcome to Leo's Playtime! Hi, Leo!
Hi!
What are we gonna do today?
Come on!
We're gonna watch Pokemon Go Surprise Eggs?
Yes.
Okay, let's go ahead and put play and see how we like it, okay?
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, yeah. What is it?
What's his name? What's his name?
Heston!
Yeah! The Pokemon side.
Pokemon!
Pokeball?
Did it go inside of the Pokeball? What happened?
What's that? Oh, the game! Pikachu games.
Oh, it's a Pikachu game!
See Pikachu cute? What's this?
It's a surprise! Surprise ball!
Pikachu! That's cute.
Oh, it's cute. What color?
Slime.
What color is the slime?
Blue.
Yeah. Wonder what's inside.
Well, yeah, sticky. Oh.
Ew! Nice! Another Pokemon!
Dad.
Oh!
Pokeball?
It's a blue Pokeball!
Yeah.
It gave us another surprise!
What's that?
It's a barrel! What's inside the barrel?
Wow. Key?
Oh, it has a key? That's a lot of keys for one barrel. What's the color?
Pink.
Pink. Who is it?
That's weird. It's a weird.
Nice. It's another Pokemon.
Look at Tucky. Look at Tucky.
It's like a tiger. Nice Pokemon.
Pokeball.
I wonder what's inside. Snorlax.
Yes,
I like Snorlax. Oh, he says hi.
Hi.
What's the color?
Blue.
Blue. It's another blue egg.
What blue?
Light blue.
Oh, it's sticky. So sticky. So sticky. Ah. Ow.
It's another Pokemon.
It's like a dog.
Yeah.
Pink.
It's cute.
Oh, it's like a Pokeball.
Oh, I like that Pokeball. It's pink.
What's that? It's yellow. It's Pikachu.
It's Pikachu.
Pikachu blue. It's spice. Pikachu sleep.
Oh, Pikachu's sleeping inside of the pillow.
Yes.
Yay, another egg. What's the color of the slime?
Yellow.
Yellow.
It's wet. It's wet. It's a mouse. Like a mouse.
It's like a mouse. It's
Yeah.
another Pikachu.
Look, I told you tail. Ah, who's
The white Pokeball.
Yeah, it's the mama like that. Whoa! What's that? Oh, there's something inside.
What's inside?
Third Pokemon! Safari!
That's a nice surprise.
Whoosh.
What's next?
Slide, peek.
Pink slime. I wonder what's inside. Who's inside? Who's inside?
Whoa, whoa.
Oh, that is super stretchy.
Yes, slime. Oh, it's wow. It's too lucky.
It looks like a pumpkin, doesn't it?
There's a two rockets.
cool Pokeball. It's green.
Team Rocket.
You think it's a Team Rocket Pokeball?
Look! The boat's a red. There is a chicken.
Oh, it's a flashlight?
Yes.
Nice.
Team, come on.
Pikachu flashlight.
Come on for flashlight.
Uh-oh. Another surprise.
It's green. What's that? Oh, those stickers.
It's a Pikachu.
Pikachu. It's shit. It's shit.
Pikachu with a shirt.
Yes. Let's go with the boxes. Go suck it. Wow.
Oh, a soccer ball.
Pokeball. It's a keychain.
It's a keychain?
Sells Pikachu. Sells Pikachu. Oh.
What's inside?
It's small Pikachu. Look at Pikachu.
You think it's another Pikachu?
Yes. Whoa, it's two Pikachu after all. Small Pikachu.
It's another Pikachu in the
Small
Pikachu
Pikachu.
family. Nice Pokeball.
What's that? A big Pikachu.
What is it? Oh, it's kind of like Legos.
Yes.
You have to build it.
Yes, my build.
Oh, that's cool.
Look.
That's cute.
Oh, fall.
Video is over, Leo.
Yes.
Okay. Well, can you tell me how many stars do you give this video?
5.
5 stars?
Yes.
That's a good video.
Yes.
What was your favorite part?
Pokeball.
The Pokeball surprises?
Yes.
I like that too. That was pretty cool.
Yeah.
Okay, Leo, so now it's time to say goodbye.
Bye.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Subscribe. Until next time. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up.